Hi there, my name is Richard Burman. I'm the owner of the BurmanEnterprises store on eBay. Today I am making this video to highlight some of the features that you can see in actual action on the table that I will be selling on eBay. This is actually a Leander table that I purchased from Mr. Leander Eckerd. It was around 2001. I purchased it for the means of treating my daughter's scoliosis. She was using a brace with a brace which actually had active bladders in it that were periodically increased in pressure, and this table was a part of it. She would actually be on the table, which is a continuous motion flexion distraction table, and as her spine would start to straighten, we would actually tighten the brace. She no longer has a need for it, thank heavens, and so I am now offering it on sale. So first off, let's show you how we turn it on. And let's just go ahead and pan along so you can see. You can see these are actual extenders. You can extend it, you can shorten it. This is for putting the feet in, holding them in place. Okay, we've got that. The next thing I'd like to show you is the fact that we have a number of other features. You have lateral bends. So if you'll go ahead and take a pan along that so they can see the lateral bends. You may not use the lateral bends when the table is in motion, but here again you can see that this is a continuous motion flexion distraction table. Now we're going to go do the lateral bends to the other side. And yes, it is still in motion at this time, as you can see. Yes, we are missing a pad here, but I don't think that's going to be a major issue for most people who would be using this. It can also raise and lower for the comfort of the person doing the treating, and also for the comfort of the person receiving the treatment. It has two drops that I've been able to identify. The first one is here, where we can raise it, and then with the correct pressure, you can force a drop. The second one is actually this drop here, takes place like that. Again, some of you are actually better qualified to know what you would use these features for, plus actually what we have as far as the lateral bends. Me, I'm just a father who was treating his daughter under the direction of a chiropractor and an orthotist who made the brace. I don't claim to have any deep medical knowledge, but I'm showing you these features here because I'm sure they mean something to some of you. Also, we can move the pads one way, and this pad will go in the same direction. They can actually go out much further. I'll pull this one out a little further. This is a little easier for me to turn, just to show. Still going, still going, still going. Still moving out, and still moving out some more. Okay, it has not stopped yet, as you can see. Now it has. So just to show that the other one has the same amount of motion, in case that is a concern for one of you, or all of you, I will finish turning this one out, even though it actually will take me a little longer to do because I'm on the wrong side of the table. Again, you can hear that the motor is continuing to go, and it's doing its raising and lowering of the legs, which should, of course, be held in place by this strap here to make sure that their feet are held in place while the traction pressure is being pulled along the spine. Now, as you can hear, it may need a little lubrication in a few places. It has not been used for a number of years. Again, because my daughter is now growing up on her own, buried, So we don't have any need for it. We are selling it on eBay under the username of Burman Enterprises, which is my store. And just to show you one more thing here, and that is the fact that yes, they will move all the way over to the other side, just like this. There are some other attachments I'm not quite sure what we'd use them for. For example, like this and this. I'm sure some of you might have some ideas as to what they would be for. There's a pin here on one of these little rods here. Not sure what it's for, but I'll point it out in here also. Again, it's very easy to turn on and off. Okay, and raise and lower. So that's it for now. If you are truly interested in this table, check it out on eBay at Burman Enterprises. If it's still there, it's still for sale. Thank you very much for your time. I hope to see you on eBay. Goodbye for now.